back to my channel. For those that are new, hi, my name is Janet Amabile, and thank you for clicking onto my video and stumbling upon my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna do a collective thrift haul. I've been to the thrift store maybe like 2 times this month, and there is a couple of them that don't have tags because obviously I've already washed them so I can put them up, but some of them I just got yesterday. I think I spent maybe about 25 total because yesterday I only spent 17, and the day before, the week before, I had half off because it was National Thrift Store Day, but I only spent like maybe about not even $10, maybe less. But yeah, I'm just gonna start off with the things that aren't clothes just so I can get them out of the way. I got this cute little shot glass and it has a little gun. I got it for 80 cents, but I mean the original price is 80 cents, but I got it for half off, so it was 40 cents. That would be super cute. And then I found this little thing to charge, like to hold and charge your phones and your watches. So you can put the cords right here and charge your stuff. And you just put them inside this little box. And yeah, pretty simple. This was $1.81, but I got it for half off, so that's like $1. I thought it would be really cute since you always have to. I dropped my shot glass. So starting off with the first category, it's bottoms, and the first one that I grabbed is this Nike I believe it's from the athletic department, and it's size medium. So it's just this black simple like windbreaker material, and the only thing that it has is just the little Nike sign. It's pretty simple, and then you can also adjust the bottoms to it. That was pretty cool for this fall and this summer. This might have to be a DIY project because they do fit me nice, a little bit oversized, just the way I like them. I believe these are size yeah, these are size large, and they are way too long for me, like super long. I love how it goes, also how it goes like from one straight line to the 3 marks right here on the side. But I might have to hem it maybe 2 inches or so, and then add like an elastic band so they can be more of a jogger type pants. So I'm really excited for these. Then I found some dress pants, and these are from H&M. I don't think you'll be able to see the brand, but it's H&M, size 14. They are dress pants. They do have a cute faux leather detail around the waistline, and then the zippers are so cute. They're just a silver hardware zipper on it. Pretty basic. You know, the holidays are coming up, and just so I can have some nice pants. And pants that I got was just these Michael Kors straight-legged jeans. They are a little bit too tall for my liking, and they did fit me a little bit too tight, so I'm going to be passing these on to my niece Jalen. At the Valley Village that I went to, since it was their summer sale or whatever, they had tank tops 2 for $1, and I managed to just get 2 white ones because I've been meaning to get some white into my closet. And tank, I'm pretty sure it's like a muscle tee because I've seen this type of design for men's muscle shirts when I was working at Target a couple years ago, but I just love the cut of it, how it's like squared, and then the thickness of the straps. So I just picked this one up, and it does have that muscle shirt material, so that's why I think it's like a men's muscle shirt. But either way, I got it. I mean, this is basically 50 cents. I couldn't pass it up. The next one that I got is just another white one, but it does have gray trimming around the armholes and the neckline, and it's from this brand called Garage in size large, and it just has a little sunflower, and it says it'd be a little wild. I thought it'd be super cute. I can always layer these for the fall. This one is like Star Wars themed, and it says the sass is strong with this one. I am all about Star Wars. I've been a Star Wars fan since as long as I can remember, so I thought I really needed to get this. I already have a I Am Your Father t-shirt, and I always wear it all the time, even when it's Mother's Day. The next one that I got, it's this, I didn't even see the tag. It doesn't have a brand or anything, so I guess it's just a regular graphic tee, and it's just a diamond. It has kind of like a bandana type of graphic, and then this kind of reminded me of like Gucci. Then it has a diamond, and it says flawless. I just went ahead and tied it from the bottom, and you can always wear these with like high-waisted jeans or some tights just to be around the house. But yeah, I was like, I need to get that because I really need some new graphic tees just to be going out and about, you know. Blue Adidas shirt, and it just says Adidas with the logo on top, and it also has it in the back. I love this color. It looks so pretty. I wish I would have found this in black, that way it can go with the joggers that I found, but this is such a beautiful color too. This is one of my favorite colors. I love this type of like violet blue. But yeah, this was a super, is this Nike's baseball tee. It's just simple and black. It doesn't have no logos on it except the Nike logos, and it has 3 buttons down. This was pretty cool. I kind of gave me, next category is button downs or button ups. The first one that I found is this Michael Kors white dress up shirt. I was going to keep it for myself, but I figured my husband could use it since he doesn't have a plain white one, and it was just like $2.90. I mean, hell yeah. I got this half off as well. I thought he would enjoy it more than me because I can always just find another plain white shirt and use it like over the shoulders, like kind of with the shoulders to the side. I didn't want to ruin this shirt. So the next button-up shirt that I got was just this Gap boyfriend tee plaid shirt, and I just love this color scheme. I've been wanting to get a color scheme like this. I just could never find the right one or a right fit, and this is a size extra large if I'm not mistaken, and it's just so dope. It closes just to like halfway. It ends right here, and then there's no buttons right here, but this is so cute for the fall time or the winter time too, with some boots or jeans, leggings on pumpkin patches or hay rides, just for those family outings. I thought it would be super cute and super casual. Category is of dresses, and this is the only dress that I got. It's just this Old Navy extra small dress. I don't know why it's extra small or extra, it says, yeah, it's extra small. I don't know why it fits me. I usually wear like a large, but maybe it's just supposed to be like oversized dress for like smaller people, but I'm gonna use it like a bodycon dress, and it's just this nice sweater, like kind of like a fleece material, and it's just heather gray. And all right, so they were starting to pull out all their fall stuff as well, and I found this original, yeah, it says original windbreaker, and it's so fucking awesome. It just has a nice little pocket inside. It has a button on top and two on the bottom, and the zipper does work, and it's just so bomb. I've been wanting to get even a windbreaker this color too. I either wanted one like this or a black one, but I found this one and I'm super psyched. I can't wait to start wearing this with some Timberlands or something like that. So lastly, the last item that I got is just this Texas hoodie, and it just has your little straps to adjust your hoodie and all that. It's super dope. I am so ready for sweater weather. Just with your cafecito and your conchita. I am so psyched, so pumped. This is one of my favorite colors too, like for this season, kind of like a pumpkin, the pumpkin color, and a mustard yellow. Those are definitely my colors this fall. Oh, and olive green. The stuff that I got at this thrift haul. Hopefully I'll be going to the thrift store soon again, because I still have money to spend. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Stay blessed, and we'll catch you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and leave me a comment if y'all want me to make a lookbook for like transitioning from summer to fall or something like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.